Welcome to our next video of Parts of Speech series. In this video, we are going to learn a basic information about adjective. Now, what is adjective? Adjectives are good and bad qualities of nouns. That is, the word that describes noun are describing words or adjective. We will see some examples here. A thirsty boy drank the water. These are sweet apples. A white kitten. The word thirsty, sweet, and white describe the nouns boy, apple, and kitten. Next, we will understand further about adjectives. Afif is a clever boy. To be clever is the quality of Afif. Since Afif is a noun, so that's why clever is an adjective. Sarah is wearing a new dress. To be new is the quality of dress. Here new is describing the how is a dress, so that we can say new is adjective. Always keep in mind that adjectives do not have plural forms. Here is an exercise for you. Do it yourself and let us know how much you learn about adjectives from this video in comment section. And like, subscribe and share this video as well. Jazakallah khair.